Hey friends, for the stitch I'm going to show you today, it's helpful to have a guiding line splitting your leaf in half. So I am just going to come up at the bottom of my leaf and then I'll come back down through that same hole. Then I'll leave a loose little loop on the top of my fabric here. When I come up through the fabric, it's going to be along the edge of my leaf and up through that little loop. Then I'll pull my working thread to pull the loop in place. Then I'm going to hold that loop there with my working thread, and while I'm doing that, I'll come back down through the fabric and start my next loop along the edge of my leaf here. So doing the same thing as before, just coming up along the edge, through that loop, pulling the loop, and beginning the next loop. And this is the process you'll repeat for the entire leaf. I'll show you just so you can get the hang of it. This is not my best blanket leaf that I've ever stitched, but at least you can get the idea of this stitch after seeing my video. And just a little helpful tip, when you get to the top, it's helpful to hold down that stitch while you continue down the opposite side of your leaf. And then we can come back and secure the top of the leaf after we finish. Just going down the opposite side now and filling in the rest of the leaf. Then once you create your last loop, you can make a small securing stitch over the side, and that's the blanket leaf stitch. I do just like to make one more securing stitch at the top point of the leaf just to make sure it has the shape that I want. But there you go. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you again next time.